Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This the news beat presented to you by Ladies Like. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Presidential elections in African nations always raise a lot of doubts and questions. Are they fair or transparent? It's not always apparent. And now, social media has the power to push any party into power. But it can be the source of false information and distort the truth in an election. Nigeria will hold elections in 2019, but on social media they are not green. Nigeria's National Electoral Commission is working with Facebook for the election to use it as a platform for voter education and to cut down on false information. For example, to stop the spread of fake news, 40 mission pages were cut loose. Why Facebook? Give your timeline a look. Is every citizen space to kick up a fuss, to debate, relate, deliberate or discuss? A good election depends on public perception, and social media has the power over perception. False info could lead to bad election, resulting in violence and civil tensions. But if info is kept true and relevant, then citizens can be calm and confident as they vote in their new government.
Beauty, that's the subject for today. Beauty, no matter what they say. Beauty, who decide what is right? We can all be beautiful, whether black or white. In Harare, they held a beauty contest for a certain kind of person unusually blessed. They got white skin, although they are African, and they getting along just as best as they can. Albinism is in the spotlight. The way albinos are treated, it really ain't right. Just because of their different pigmentation, they get a lot of bother and discrimination. To make matters worse, we even getting healers who are making money as body part dealers of albinos, and they use them in their magic. But these are real people, so it's totally tragic. To combat superstition and old prejudices that leads to albinos getting cut to pieces, this beauty contest will rewrite the rules and leave albino hating for the wizards and fools. Brenda Muzimu is the brains behind the contest. She needs more funding, though she's done her level best. So where are the sponsors for these beautiful faces? This show has to happen on a year-by-year basis. Miss Mutukura won this year hands down, modeling a range of robes and traditional gowns. After Zimbabwe, albinos everywhere are hoping for a Miss Albino World next year. Beauty, that's the subject for today. Beauty, no matter what they say. Beauty, who decides what is right? We can all be beautiful, whether black or white. I'm MC Yala, reporting for Newsbeat.
Meet this week's citizen hearing. When it comes to corruption, she's quite keen. Evelyn Namara is a whistleblower who's taking the battle to Twitter. She's called out the Electoral Commission and Uganda Communications Commission. At the UCC's 2017 Asia Awards, she got the ICT for Development Award. She was promised a cash prize, $7,500 to be precise, but Namara had to apply pressure to receive just a portion of the prize. UCC released their own statement saying winners signed an agreement to meet milestone achievements and then get paid in installments. But many other prize winners have not yet seen a single dollar, so Evelyn pulled a red card on the Asia Awards. It's not the first time for Namara to protest. When she sees corruption, she resists. In the 2016 elections, she had to speak up because the voter numbers didn't add up. Even the Electoral Commission couldn't ignore her calculations. Namara is giving corrupt officials a good fight. We salute her for standing up for what's right. That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still Ladies Like, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.